crazy times we're living in right now, so this comes from my next product. It's from a company called SEHMUA, and it's a home security camera system. In this case, it's a 4-pack, and it actually does work with 2.4 and 5G networks. Okay, so this particular product, they sent me some highlights they want me to touch on, so I'm going to say it to you guys because it's something you might want to hear. First off, no subscription fees. That is great. Next one, truly wireless and solar powered. It's waterproof. Simple setup, so we'll see about that. So we got some color night vision, 360 degrees, motion alerts, pan tilt control. We'll see all that with the cameras. We got 4 cameras live, view on one screen. I've been wanting that for a while because I want to look cool in my office. You know, a monitor by itself with all my cameras all over the house. All right, 1 down, 3 to go. I'm gonna do that, and then we'll touch base. I like the app. I like that you can see all 4 screens at the same time. And I like how you can switch between SD and HD. So if you really want to see some quality of a license plate or something, you just click that, but then you don't burn the SD card. I like that you can talk to people from it. Installation was easy. It's actually the easiest solar panel security light I've actually installed. So what I did was I charged all the cameras together close to the hub, set up the hub, linked all the cameras together, and then with each camera, I walked to my destination where I wanted to mount it at and check the signal. If it was good, it got mounted. And all 4 got mounted where I wanted them. Now I feel safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.